If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. The best way to predict your future is to create it. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Money and success don't change people. They merely amplify what is already there. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. Sing like no one is listening. Love like you have never been hurt. Dance like nobody is watching. And live like it's heaven on earth. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Chase the vision, not the money. The money will end up following. In the long run, the sharpest weapon of all is a kind and gentle spirit. If we don't change, we don't grow. If we don't grow, we aren't really living. All life is an experiment. The more experiment you make, the better. Life doesn't require that we be the best. Only we try our best. Life is a succession of lessons which must be understood. When we do the best we can, we never know what miracle is wrought in our life or the life of others. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. If you want to live a happy life, tie to a goal, not to people or things. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. I like criticism. It makes you strong. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Do all the good you can, for all the people you can, in all the ways you can, as long as you can. Not how long, but how well you have lived is main thing. Life is a flower of which love is honey. When you cease to dream, you cease to live. Life is very interesting. In the end, some of your greatest pains become your greatest strengths. Be nice to people on the way up because you may meet them on the way down. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too.